Bitcoin, we start with forward chart. And if you refer to my last analysis when the price was exactly within here, we discuss about how we can look for buy. This is what we get. And whoever get the trade for buy based on forward chart, at least book the move their stop loss to break even, or if they can book some profit. And if you refer to daily chart, we discuss a bit with the breakout of this one. All right, now we get this. Okay. And if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for 100K. After the breakout of the 100K, we mentioned with the breakout of the 100K, we can look for 111. Okay, because we wanted to see the breakout of this zone for continuation. Now we want the next things we wanted to see the breakout of is 111. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. And if we move to monthly chart, similar explanation. After this correction, we have been looking for 100 following by 111. We want to see the breakout of this zone, then we can look for 150 following by 180. But to come up with the target after the breakout of 111, we have to see the get any daily correction after the breakout. Then from there we can get at least the daily correction, then we can come up with the exact target. But as I mentioned, for the Bitcoin, we're looking for 150 and 80, 180, in any range between any value price between 150 and 180. Okay, that's mean at least we can look for 150. And if we move to weekly chart, the only thing is we have the divergence here. We don't need to care about that, and we will expect to see the at least a deeper correction based on the daily chart, but mostly we are expecting to get that correction after the breakout of the 111. Okay, anyway, we are looking for buy, and as what I explained in my last analysis based on forward chart, we got the trade setup. The only thing is now we're looking for 111. And if we move to daily chart, if we put this top in relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. Is losing the momentum. That's why after the breakout, if the price could tag 111 and break, then from there, if still we have a divergence and the continuation as a corrective, we have to be quite careful. If after the breakout of the 111 we see the sharp move, then mostly we don't need to care about the divergence, and mostly we will see the divergence will disappear. Okay, now it depends how the market behave within this range, how sharp we see the breakout of the 111, or if the price continues as a corrective, then we have to be quite careful. But at this point, we're looking to see the breakout of the 111, and we don't see any trade setup based on daily chart. The only thing is, if we refer to my last analysis, this is where we have been looking for buy. And at this point, I don't see even any trade setup at 100. I mean, at the based on forward chart, and we should know that we have to wait for the trade setup. Simply, we cannot take the trade because right now the price is at all-time high. Okay, we don't want to buy at the all-time high. Then we see drop and move. I mean, turn to a deeper correction. Anyway, now we're looking to see the breakout of the 111, and if we want to look for buy, we have to look for flag. And even based on 1 hour chart, I don't see the flag, and even based on 1 hour chart, we see we have a divergence. The only thing is whoever get the trade for buy again from here, at least book some profit or move their stop loss in the break even. And the second things we're looking for, we want to see the breakout of the 111. You want to see within the next 1 or 2 days what we will get here, continuation and the breakout or the correction. And even we have to be quite careful about this one. Anyway, for me, I'm looking to see the breakout of the 111. And if we want to look for buy, first things, the price is at the all-time high. It doesn't mean we cannot look for buy. The only thing is if we want to buy, we have to look for the trade setup. And mostly at this point, we have to trade. I mean, if you want to look for trade setup, mostly we have to look for flag, and mostly we have to look for 1 hour or lower time frame. Okay, and in this case, we just follow the chart. Hopefully, the price can break 111 sharply and soon. And again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.